Hi, I'm Gwenna and I'm here to tell you about an introduction to user research course that we're running for people working in the NHS in Wales. During this 3-hour session, we'll cover the basics about what user research is and why it's important, and how does it differ from other clinical or patient engagement activity, and what does the typical research process look like. The session is designed with lots of discussions and activities, and we've got plenty of case studies and examples to bring it to life. Although we can't turn you into a user research expert in only 3 hours, you'll be leaving with an appreciation of how user research could add value to NHS services in Wales, and will be able to work well with user research specialists in the future. The course is funded by the Centre for Digital Public Services, so it's completely free for you to attend and you can book your space on Eventbrite. Hope to see you there.